how to set emails and accounts to fetch new data through push or fetch on your iPhone running iOS 13. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom. Then tap on the settings icon. And next, we want to tap on password and accounts. Then here, tap on fetch new data. At the top, you can turn off push if you want to use fetch. So if you turn on push, then your iPhone can either use push or fetch depending on the settings of each app. Now you can see down here, Gmail, Yahoo using a fetch method, whereas iCloud and Outlook is using a push method. Now the difference between push and fetch is that for push, new data will be pushed to your iPhone from the server as soon as possible. So using push, there is a constant checking between your phone and the server. So your phone will constantly asking the server to see if there's any new data. Is there any new data? Is there any new data? So if there is, then your phone will get the latest data. For example, Outlook, you can see Outlook here will constantly check on the server to see if there's any new email coming in. As soon as there is a new email, it will get pushed to your iPhone immediately. Whereas fetch, it doesn't check constantly. Rather, it will check on the server for new data on a periodic time. So for example, you can set automatic, you can set menu hourly, every 30 minutes, every 15 minutes. So if you choose every 15 minutes, then the app will check on the server every 15 minutes to see if there is any new data. Or if you choose hourly, then it will check every once in 1 hour. And if you choose automatic, then your phone can try to fetch new data on the background when your phone is connected to power and Wi-Fi. So instead of constantly checking for new data on the server, fetch will check based on the set time that you set it to be. So for example, 15 or 30 minutes. And that can help save the power on your device because it will not constantly checking on the server to see if there's any new data. So that's how you can change. So here you can see that Outlook have push, but you can also go in here and set it to fetch or menu. So if menu is selected, this account will only be checked for updates when the application is in use. In other words, when you open up the Outlook app, then it will check to see if there is any new data. Otherwise, your phone will not notify you. It will not tell you that you have a new email. And whereas fetch, if you set fetch to 50 minutes, then every 50 minutes, it will check to see if there is any new email. If there is, then the phone will notify you that there is a new email in every 15 minutes. And then you can choose push. And so that's it. And finally, you can simply swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.